Hi, what can you expect here? Simple, signal over noise and reality over spin. Welcome to YARI. This channel is about one thing, inspiring change. Even in my early uploads, they're still in beta, they're trial productions. I am committed to sharing long-form content that offers something deeper, ideas worth thinking about, and maybe even rethinking. The focus is on explainers, thought pieces, and commentary that explore the intersection of society, culture, and economics, with a dose of fresh thinking throughout. Topics will focus on emerging trends, data driven analysis on pressing issues, and inflection points or notable events, particularly in Asia. For added context, I will also provide global benchmarks. If that sounds like your kind of space, stick around. Let's build a community that questions, reflects, and nudges things forward, one video at a time. For added context, I will also provide global